Hello students, we are studying lesson number 2, parallel lines and transversal. Parallel lines means the lines which never intersect each other. For example, these lines in the notebook, these are the parallel lines. Transversal means what? If two lines are given to you and if a third line intersects both the lines at two different points, then such a line is called as transversal. This line is called as transversal. And due to transversal, how many angles are made? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then there are three types of pairs of angles formed by the transversal. First one is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means they are on the same side of the transversal and they are in the same direction, same side. ओके दोनों एंगल लेफ्ट में रहेंगे और दोनों लाइन के ऊपर रहेंगे, मतलब दोनों का डायरेक्शन ऊपर की तरफ रहेगा सेकेंड आर्म का, या फिर दोनों लेफ्ट में रहेंगे और दोनों का डायरेक्शन नीचे रहेगा सेकेंड आर्म का, और बोथ विल बी ऑन द राइट अप और राइट डाउन. सो टोटल 4 pairs of corresponding angles, then total 2 pairs of interior angles. Interior angles means side will be same, means both will be on the left or both will be on the right. दोनों लेफ्ट में रहेंगे या फिर दोनों राइट में रहेंगे और दोनों लाइन के इनसाइड रहेंगे, मीन्स दे विल बी इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ दिस लाइन्स. इंटीरियर मीन्स दिस पोर्शन, this is the interior portion. And the third one was alternate angles. In alternate angles, opposite side and opposite direction. So both will be, one will be on left, second will be on right. See this two or this two and this two, means these are interior alternate, this two also interior alternate, these two exterior alternate, and this two also exterior alternate. Now there are some English alphabets from which you can remember the types of pairs of angles. So for corresponding angles, the shape is F. Okay, the shape is F, or like this, or like this, or like this. So this two will be corresponding, this two will be corresponding, this two will be corresponding, or this two will be corresponding. Then for interior alternate angle, which shape you will remember? C. This two interior or this two interior. And for alternate angle, which shape we have to remember? Which alphabet? Z. Alternate, this two or this two. Okay, so these are alternate angles. And one more thing we should revise before going forward, that last year we have studied vertically opposite angles and linear pair of angles. Vertically opposite and linear pair of angles. So do you remember vertically opposite angle means the alphabet X. Means if two lines are intersecting, then what? The angles, these two angles, they are called as vertically opposite. Opposite means what? In front of each other. So these two are vertically opposite angles and these two are called as vertically opposite angles. So if two lines are making X shape, X, so the opposite angles are called vertically opposite. And what is the property of vertically opposite angles? They are congruent. So these two angles are congruent and these two angles are always congruent. And linear pair means what? Linear pair means the angle which are formed on the straight line. सो स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर अगर दो एंगल बनते हैं तो इनको बोलते हैं लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स. ओके, जस्ट लाइक अ प्रोट्रैक्टर. Okay, so what is the property of linear pair of angles? They are always supplementary, means together their addition is 180 degree. दोनों का मिलके addition होता है 180 degree. So in this diagram, see these two form linear pair. These two form linear pair. These two they form linear pair, and these two they form linear pair. Then this is like a X. So these two are vertically opposite. These two are vertically opposite. These two angles are vertically opposite, and these two angles are vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angle property is that they are congruent, and linear pair property is that they are supplementary. Now we are going to begin with practice set 2.1. Okay. So first question is very easy. In the adjoining figure, each angle is shown by a letter. Fill in the box with the help of the figure. First is corresponding angles. We have to write the pairs of corresponding angles. So P angle, this is P angle. तो इसका corresponding जोड़ी क्या होगा? P is on the left side of transversal and it is above the line. So W भी left में है और line के ऊपर है. So P and W. Then Q के साथ X. Q राइट में है, X भी राइट में है. Q is above the line, X is also above the line. So Q and X. Next R and Y. R right side, Y also right side. R line के नीचे, Y भी line के नीचे. Next S and Z. Okay. Now next is interior alternate angle. Interior means ये interior part में. This is the interior part. So interior angle means what? Same side and interior. But here it is written interior alternate. Means एक left में तो दूसरा right में. Means S and X and R and W. S, X, R, W. Okay, so these are interior alternate angle. अगर alternate word नहीं दिया है तो फिर S, W, R, X. Okay, now this figure. So this figure they have actually given tilted. So we can tilt our book. So interior alternate angle. First one is interior alternate angles. So which are the interior alternate angles in this figure? B, H, C, E. So what we will write here? Angle B and angle H. This is the first one, and second one angle C and angle E. Next is corresponding angles. So corresponding angles कौन से हैं? A, E, B, F, D, H, C, G. Okay, A, E, B, F, D, H and C, G. And how we have to write these pairs? Same in this way. So corresponding angle answer is first one angle A and angle E. Second one is angle B and angle F. Okay. Third one is angle D and angle H. And fourth one is angle C and angle G. So this is the answer of corresponding pair of angles. And last one is interior angle CHBE. Okay. Angle C and angle H, angle B and angle E. So this is your practice set 2.1. You have to write in your notebook. Understood the homework? I will send you the photo of practice set 2.1. Draw rough figures and write everything. Understood the homework? Thank you.